to avoid adhesive lines. The first point. Before application, use liquid soap for reducing the tack to avoid adhesive lines. The second point. Adhesive lines will appear if there is tension in the film. In order to reduce tension and prevent adhesive lines, it is advisable to leave an additional 10 cm of film around all edges. The third point. Do not use your full force to strengthen the film. Lift the vinyl, then using only 80% of force. Put it down gently and hook it around corners. Spread the tension out and pull employing the triangle technique. The fourth point. Using the heat gun at a low setting and gently applying heat can also reduce the adhesive lines.